What up guys? Ito na yung ginagawa kong rosters guys. Bawat player may kanya-kanyang game style, play style.
So it's the Mavericks now. From downtown. Another three for Dallas.
Naka Hall of Fame to guys. Mas panganda Hall of Fame. Kasi
timeout called the Lakers.
makikita nyo talaga yung laruan nila. Lalo na kay LeBron, Irving, Cooper Flag, yung ibang player, Luka. Yan yung ginawa ko guys, yan yung ginagawa ko sa roster. Every player may iba-iba sila ng laro. Hindi naman ginaya ko talaga yung laro nila sa real life, pero malapit na.
He's covered by Irving.
Malapit na dun sa laruan talaga nila.
And the shot is good.
That's a clean look they gave
Kita
him
nyo
there,
kay
fellas,
Luka.
and he drains those.
Diba?
To the paint. Stolen away.
Itong pinanood nyo guys, EI versus EI to guys. Nanonood lang din ako.
Somehow ignores the tight D and gets the layup.
He's come out here in the second half and done a nice job moving, getting good looks, and finding his range.
Tignan nyo lang guys kung paano to gumalaw si Irving, di ba?
No good with the layup.
Mintis nga lang, sayang.
Inside. Jam.
At saka guys, may to guys double replay,
So it's the
pero
Mavericks
selected
now,
player lang, hindi
trailing
ko
by 5.
nilagyan lahat ng player. Kadalasan star player yung nilagyan ko ng double replay.
Stolen. They push it up.
Yun. Grabe, nahabol pa ni Davis
And
Grabe yung
that'll be
spalpalan,
Dallas
guys.
As it goes out of bounds, Mavericks retain possession. Mavericks making a switch here.
Dikit kasi yung laban eh. Grabe.
Now off the inbound.
Yun
That
lang.
shot, no good.
Boy, they were
Wala
ready
tong
for it right
guys
there. I mean,
walang
totally collapsed
ankle break,
defense on him.
never miss siya. Wala kong nilagay. Yun lang, LeBron. Grabe naman guys. So ito yung ginagawa ko roster guys. So abangan natin to, yung full update. Grabe yung Irving
They double him with LeBron. They need this.
Euro.
It's good. Oh, and that cuts the lead to just
To get in his way as he was going up for that one.
Yun lang.
And there's the whistle. Fouled hard on the shot. He'll go.
Kadalasan sa aggressive yung star player. Kung ano talaga laro nila.
First free throw is good, and that. And he makes both free throws.
That was essential that he cashed in on those free throws. They're within one possession.
Ganda ng laban guys. Madikit. Dikit ng
Guys are
score.
not going to be in any rush on this possession.
Now with the lead, I mean, now's the time to use the clock to your advantage. Take your time, milk the clock a little bit.
Pinalibre guys.
Yes, it's
Patayan.
LeBron picking up the assist. And the Mavericks call time. Tries a three off the inbound.
Boom.
Connects. What a beautiful shot to bring him to within 3.
Yun yung sinasabi ko guys. Aggressive yung mga star player.
And they foul intentional.
Jump shot fix. Free throw. Yun yung ginawa ko sa roster na to. So waiting ko tayo sa ibang trade guys. Ibang rookie. Waiting muna tayo.
He drops the first one, and that. And so he drops them both. Launches a three. A rebound by the Lakers. They've led by as much as 10.
Guys,
And he commits
sayang.
the intentional foul.
So, preview pa lang to guys sa ginagawa kong roster.
Good on the first, and that
Matapos to lahat, dami pa kasi ano. Ang dami pang CFID na kailangan ko pang ano, ayusin.
so he gets them both.
So,
and
abangan nyo na to guys. Sa next update natin guys.
fades away. And so the